Alright, my friends, now that's the level of paper. I mean, that string lime is the level of paper. And as you can see, we have, I'll show you. So we have a slope from that corner to the end. As you can see, the bubble is on the left hand side. So meaning this side here is higher than the other end. So the runoff will flow from top to the bottom. So there's no ponding on this. There's no ponding on this area. So that's my purpose of putting this paper, and it doesn't look messy when it's finished. And as I said, in between I have in between the concrete or paper, I'm gonna put a grout or a concrete mix to make more stable. That's the last stage after putting all the papers. And this timber is my spacer. Yeah, so that's the gap of concrete paper. So that's why I took my what do you call that, the pallets given by a friend. So that's the spacer of this paper, concrete papers. Alright, thank you, and we'll give you more updates after I have started laying this paper. Thank you so much.